In this autumn traffic review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get traffic to any URL of your choice for a one-time price. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out autumn traffic, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says it doesn't get any easier than this. Push one button and enjoy free daily traffic forever. No experience, email list, or tech skills required. So essentially, what is this? It is a way of adding your link onto a traffic rotator. Dawood is known for having multiple traffic rotators. He does a lot of different traffic sources. He goes out there and scours the internet trying to find different places to get traffic. And how he's able to monetize that is he sells the traffic to people by putting them into his rotator. The reason why he's able to do that is he can sell this product to lots and lots of people. And the sad thing is that a lot of people will buy this product and never even submit a link to get traffic to. So he makes his money there. That's where he makes his money. Then he sends the traffic to people, and then the people that actually submit their links get the traffic to come in. Now, is it going to be millions and millions of clicks? No, but he does put you on the rotator so that you're able to get clicks coming in over time so that you can take that traffic. And if I were you, I always tell you guys, put that traffic into an email autoresponder because that's where you're going to get the most benefit from it, and you can monetize it over and over and over again. So you don't need a list. You submit your URL once, and you get free daily traffic forever from multiple sources. You just and that's it. Plus, you get traffic from 5 different traffic rotators. Now they have some income proof here. I don't know if that income proof is specifically from this traffic, but I know he makes money online, but like, don't think that just because you get traffic, you're automatically going to make money from it. You need to have the right kind of offers. You need to send it to the right place. If you just send it to just straight to affiliate offers, I wouldn't do that. Again, I would put them on an email list so you can market to them over and over again. Plus, you get all these extra bonuses with this for a very low one-time price. Now, one thing I will tell you to do is when you come to the sales page, move your mouse away and a discount will pop up. Now, I make less as an affiliate by showing you this, so please hit that like button if you want me to keep showing you these discounts in the future. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick video of Dawood explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
The secret to any online marketing business is continual daily traffic. You can have the best offer in the world, the best free giveaway, or the best bonuses, but if nobody sees them, then they're worth nothing. That's why I always put traffic generation as the #1 priority for my business. To do that, I need to constantly search for brand new traffic sources. And today, I'm unveiling another new one with my brand new autumn traffic. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam. And along with my launch partner Brian Alcock, we are going to let you place any URL of your choice on our brand new autumn traffic rotator for free daily traffic every single day. The traffic is never ending and it works in any niche, and we're already enjoying great results with it. But that's not all. When you pick up a copy of autumn traffic, we're also going to place your URL on 4 of our other traffic rotators. Yes, that's 5 rotators in total. Your link will go on the spring traffic rotator for even more daily traffic. Your link will go on the summer traffic rotator for more daily traffic. Your link will go on the Traffic Time 2.0 rotator for more daily traffic. And your link will go on the winter traffic rotator for, you've guessed it, even more free daily traffic. Getting set up with autumn traffic is easy. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Autumn Traffic during the launch period before the price goes up. If you delay, you really will pay more. Step 2. Choose the URL that you wish to promote and send it to us. And step 3. Sit back and relax as you enjoy free daily traffic that never stops. But please don't delay. At the start of the launch, the Autumn Traffic Rotator is sitting completely empty. There are no links on it at all. By taking action today, you can enjoy way more free traffic than those who join later in the launch, because at the moment you will be getting nearly all the hits for yourself. So drop everything that you're doing right now and send us your link today. Myself and Brian look forward to seeing you on the inside.
Okay, so we are back. This is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. We can go in there and you can access your traffic, your training, your bonuses, all in one place. Now, there are multiple OTOs. The first one here is you can get the pro version of this and get even more traffic. You get 5 times more URLs. You can add in more links to this and get even more traffic. But here's what I want you to do. Click the no thanks button. What is that going to do? That's going to bring up a downsell for this. So you're going to get the same thing, but at a discounted price. It's going to come up here with a lower price for this. I always want you guys to get the lowest prices, so please do that. Hit that like button if you haven't already. The next one here is called a total traffic fix. You get 10 solo ads to 30,000 members. Again, hit that no thanks button and you can get a discount on that as well. Next one here is you can get reseller rights and be able to sell this like it's your own product and get 100% commissions throughout the entire sales funnel. Click that no thanks button and get a discount as well. The next one here is you can get done for you weekly campaigns and have it all done for you. Hit that no thanks button and get a discount. And the last one here is you can join his beta testing program where he's actually going to go out there and he's going to give you all these different things here, 100% commissions on all his different products here. You get access to everything that he puts out in the future. It's one of his main programs here. Hit the no thanks button on that as well to get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Autumn Traffic and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, like I said before, don't expect to get like millions of clicks from this. This is going to be just slow traffic coming in over time, and make sure that you don't expect you're going to make $1 million from this, because it's just not going to happen. What do I like about this? If you want an extra place to get traffic from and you want to pay a one-time price for it and get traffic slowly trickled out to you over time, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Autumn Traffic, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.